In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the copy trading feature on the platform Phemex. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Phemex, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. And depending on how much you deposit and trade, you can get up to $8,800 in bonuses. To create an account, you simply have to enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. Let me show you quickly how you can deposit crypto first. Simply go up here, click on deposit and then on on-chain. Then you will get to this page right here. First of all, you can select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit. As you can see, many different coins. Simply select any one that you would like, for example, US dollar Tether. Then you can select the network. As you can see, there are different networks. And then down here, you will get your personal deposit address. So simply deposit that crypto over this network to this address, and then you will have it right here on your account. The second option is, of course, to deposit with fiat money. So if you have US dollars, euro, British pound, or whatever fiat currency you want, you have two different options. You can go up here to buy crypto. Either you can do a simple fiat deposit with a bank transfer. You can click on here. As you can see, select your fiat currency right here and type in the amount you want to deposit, for example, 500 euro. And then as you can see, you will make a wire transfer. It won't cost you any fee and it will take 1 to 2 days for the money to arrive. If you click on deposit right here, you will be presented with the bank information that you need for the bank transfer, which is a recipient name, an IBAN, or also called bank number, and a reference code. You need to include all of these three things in your personal bank transfer. And once you've sent the money, it will arrive right here on Phemex on the platform within 1 to 2 days. The second option is to do a fiat deposit by going up here to buy crypto and then selecting credit or debit card. You will have a little bit of a higher fee in here, and you will need to use your Visa or MasterCard, so a credit or debit card, and you will simply buy crypto directly on the platform. So if you click on here, what you effectively do is just purchase crypto with your fiat money and then have that crypto on the platform here. Simply select buy, click right here and select your fiat currency, euro for example, type in the amount, and you will select the fiat currency that you want to deposit right here. You can choose between these four. I recommend you to just use USDT because you can then either trade on here with it or exchange it for any other cryptocurrency, of course, as well. Then all you have to do is click down here on buy and you will be directed to the service where you need to enter your card details of your credit or debit card, and then you will have the money right here immediately. And that's pretty much already it. If at any point you want to check if the money has already arrived that you have deposited, you can simply go up here to your wallet. Simply click on here, and here you will have an overview of all of your available balances that you have on your account. As you can see, here's your spot account also on here. If you click on your spot account, here is where all of your cryptocurrencies are located. So you will see all of your crypto right here if you've deposited any crypto. And the other option, if you have deposited any fiat, you will see it down here in your fiat account. Here you can check if your fiat money has already arrived. All right, in our next step, we need to make sure that we have our money on here in US dollar Tether to then trade with it or exchange it for any other cryptocurrency. So if you don't have it in USDT yet, for example, if you have deposited fiat, simply go here on the right and click on buy, sell crypto. That's one option, and then exchange it for USDT, or simply go up here to spot and click on convert, and there convert your euro or other fiat currency into US dollar Tether. The other case could be if you have deposited another cryptocurrency, simply go in here into your spot account. This is where we need the money. If you have it in some other coin, it's no problem at all. Simply go up here to spot, click on spot trading, and then sell your selected coin for US dollar Tether. And once you have it here in USDT, you can then do whatever you want with it on the platform. All right, so once you have the money here in USDT, we can now start to copy trade with it. Simply go up here to contract and click on copy trade. Then you will get to this page where you can see all the available traders on Phemex. Simply scroll down here. You can filter them right here or search for a trader, and you can see their different metrics. Once you found a trader, I'm just going to select, for example, this one here, just for example. You will see some important metrics. How many followers does the trader have? How much profit he's made so far? His percentage return on invest, his monthly profit, and his monthly return on investment, and how many positions he opens monthly. Also, you can see down here all of his current open positions. Currently, this trader doesn't have any. And if you click on historical positions, you can also see the recent trades that he's made and how much profit he's made and so on. All the important details that you need. If you scroll up a bit and you found a trader that you want to follow, you can simply go here and click on copy. Then you will get to this page right here where you can set up anything. First of all, you will see a profit sharing ratio if there's one set up. So this percentage will go to the trader. The rest will be yours. If you scroll down a little bit, you can also select which currencies you want to trade. I'm just just going to select all of them right here. Here, I would recommend you just select isolated, and here you can choose your personal leverage. Next up, you can enter an amount, let's say $10 for each position and a maximum investment. You will see your available balance right here. Currently, I don't have any, so I can just click on transfer and then start transferring from my spot account to my copy trading account. You will see available balance right here. So I'm just going to select, let's say I'm going to type in 100 US dollar tether, click on confirm. Now the money will be transferred. If you don't see it here directly, you have to wait a little bit. Now you can see it's here. I'm going to select 100 here, agree to the terms, and then simply click on copy. And that's already it. Now you will get to this page. You can see your entire account balance on your copy trading account. Currently, there's nothing investment and no profit because the trader does not have any open positions. You would see them right here in your current positions and also your historical positions right here. If you click on my traders, you will see this is the trader I'm following with $100. If you want to edit any of these numbers we've set up at the beginning, you can click here on edit, or at any point you can of course also cancel it right here. If you click on here, you can immediately cancel completely out of it. And if you want to transfer your copy trading balance right here back to your spot account, simply click on transfer, select from your copy trade account to your spot account, these $100, confirm, and you have it back in your normal spot account. Of course, you can follow multiple traders right here. So for example, 10 different ones, invest the same amount into each of them and check their profit. And then, for example, stop following the ones that have not been that good and allocate more cash into the ones that have been performing well. Don't forget to create an account on Phemex by using the link down from the video description to get up to $8,800 in welcome bonuses. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.